No winter maintenance. Caution, this is a video log. It has dialogue. For the purist, nature videos, go to my playlist, pick one that matches your mood, and does not mention vlogs or dialogue. Good morning. With a train in the background there, it is Thursday, January 1st, 2026, first vlog of the year. It's about 14 degrees out. We are in Ohiopyle, Thor and I. We did catch some sunrise this morning along the river. Hopefully that comes out. When I went back to get the camera, the battery was dead. Following our pattern, we didn't know we were coming here until yesterday afternoon. We left home about 5:30 this morning. Some of the roads were plowed better than others. Some weren't plowed at all. As always, we took back roads. We used the National Weather Service's cloud cover. Said that it expected about 30% cloud cover in the Pittsburgh and South area this morning. So then we used our sun position app and realized that this section of the river right here was going to be running parallel with the sunrise, or in line with the sunrise. So we came out, we picked a spot. I was hoping to get a little farther down, closer to the river, but it was pretty snowy and slippery, so we just stayed up by the railroad tracks. There is another train coming. We use the sun position app to get our sun lined up for the morning, and I think that turned out well. It's clouding up and my feet are getting really cold, so I think we're gonna pack up the cameras and head back. I think we got some good time lapse of the river. We'll see how that comes out. Looks like we got about a 35-second shot of the river there. I did not turn on the GoPro because we just didn't have the sun for that. So we're gonna pack up and head back to the car and then see what happens from there. Back to the car. No winter maintenance. We drove up here to the Ohiopyle State Park, Kentucky Campground and Amphitheater to get a cell signal to send a message to Lucille and let her know that all is well. Thor is over there laying next to the car in the snow, waiting to get it back in and cry some more. He's been whining pretty much every time the car moves. He whines. Can't wait to get back in and go someplace. So we were going to try and film Youghiogheny Falls. The parking area is closed and there isn't a good place to park, so we're just kind of driving around hoping for the clouds to clear a little bit, maybe get another view of the river. Tune in next Wednesday for the next episode. We have no idea where we'll be. We didn't know we were going to be here until late yesterday afternoon. So we'll see what happens. Let's go do some more exploring and see what we find. You got snow on your nose? Yeah, your foot. We'll get your seatbelt back on there. We're trying to get your seatbelt on and film it at the same time. Yeah, I don't think that's going to work though. Go Gizmo falls over every time you move. Okay. All right, you're seat belted in. You got snow on your nose. Your window's down over there. You ready? So this is the Ohiopyle Falls. When we were here in the summer, I guess, we were on that rock right over there filming this way. The sun has kind of been playing hide and seek. We have some blue sky over here. It's very pretty. But the sun is over here behind the clouds. Hopefully we'll have that sun back in a couple minutes. We do have a camera. Car is over here. And we have a camera pointed upstream a little bit. The car has collected a lot of good snow. I still have the plow on the back. We had to plow the driveway before we left this morning. Not knowing what we might see up here, we left the plow on for the trip. But you can see the back of the car is all covered in snow. The dashboard says it's 16 degrees Fahrenheit out there. So we're sitting in the car. The camera is right about there, pointing upstream. I think after we go pick this camera up here, we'll probably head back for home. Last I looked, it's supposed to start snowing again. Brief snow flurries around noon, and it's a little after 10 now. Here comes another train. Look at the beautiful sun out there. Let me get out of the car here. Beautiful sunshine. Gorgeous day. Blue sky. Seas for the next adventure. We have no idea where we're going. Nothing is scripted, nothing is planned. It just happens as it does. And we'll see you on the next adventure. Unless, of course, something exciting. We'll probably film some of the trip back with the dash cam. And if anything exciting comes up, I'll have to make a new outro.